is up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are playing Do Not Press the Button number 1, and I'm really excited, and I shouldn't have done that, but yeah. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is a glitch, but yeah. But right now we are on a trampoline, and I'm bouncing, and there's the button. I'm gonna press the button. Let me press the button. Oh, well, I died. That's kind of cool, I guess. Oh, that's great. At least I didn't get knocked off. Oh, I guess we're playing hide and seek now. No one else can find us. And we win. Oh, well, I got found. Hey, why did I die, though? I guess that makes sense. I shouldn't have followed him, though. Him or her, I don't know. Pressing the button. Any more coin? Ooh. Just look at that picture. Yes. Oh no, we fell into a black hole. Or did we? I'm confused. Oh, okay. Ooh, what is... Okay. Is this the way to go? How do we do this? Oh. Well, this game is truly fun. It's just like the normal elevator, which I might play next. I don't know what you're supposed to do there, but I think it's a speed run. Oh no, I died. Oh no. I want to make it across, though. Or not. A diamond for me. It looks like a diamond anyway. A coin for me. I got to press it this time. Oh. Sheesh. I died. But oh well. Oh, nah, bruh. I could have made it if I just moved over a little bit. Any coins? Here's one. Yeah. I'm on the top. I'm on the top. I'm on the... Yeah. No. No. I want that. There we go. Okay, finally I got off this stupid trampoline. Let me collect the coin, bruh. There we go. That's a lot of damage. Ooh, is this the maze? That's cool. How do you... Okay. Is this the way to go? That's a dead end. Okay, that's also a dead end. Did I just end up back where I was in the beginning? That's so stupid. No! Okay, well guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. And that's not what I wanted. How do I get out of it? Okay. See you guys in my next video. Peace out.